Imagine you're traveling through Europe. Day 1, Paris. Day 2, Geneva. Day 3, Brussels. You buy a croissant in Paris and the baker says 70 centimes. The next day in Switzerland, you hear 70 centimes. And in Belgium, you hear nonante centimes for something totally different. Same language, 3 different number systems. Bienvenue dans la magie des chiffres français. Today you'll learn French numbers from 1 to 100, including pronunciation, spelling, regional variations, and the logic or chaos behind them. All in a fun, friendly story. Ready? On y va. These are the bread and butter numbers, or should I say baguette et beurre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can count to 10, you can handle the rest, even the spicy ones. Just memorize these. They're friendly, they behave, and they don't bite. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Enjoy this moment of peace, because chaos begins soon. 17, 18, 19, 10-7, 10-8, 10-9. Think of them like math problems disguised as words. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are your dependable friends. To make any number, just add the units. 21, 34, 48, 57, 69. Only 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 sneak in the E. Cute. Here's where things get interesting. 70, 71, 72, all the way to 79. They basically said, let's make 70, 60, 10. 70, 71, 72, all the way to 79. Simple, clean, beautiful. If you ever feel overwhelmed, just move to Switzerland. 80, 81, 82. Yes, they multiply, and yes, they borrowed it from the Vikings. Some cantons use huitante or octante, 81, 82. A Swiss person will simply say 80. A French person will say 420s. You choose the life you want. Belgium uses the French version 80. 90, 91, all the way to 99. If you've survived this far, you're a warrior. 90, 91, 92, all the way to 99. If 90 feels too easy, that's the point. 100, short and sweet. A well-deserved break after the trauma of the 90s. You're buying fruit across Europe. In France, ça fait 75 euros. In Belgium, ça fait 75 euros. In Switzerland, ça fait 80 francs. You check your wallet, you check your dignity, and you consider running away. But now, you understand all 3 systems, so you pay confidently and walk away feeling like a linguistic superhero. Give the answers in French, France, and French, Belgium, or Swiss if different. 70, 70, 70, 79, 79, 79. 80, 80, huitante, octante. 94, 94, 94. 99, 99, 99. If you got 3 out of 5, bravo. If you got 5 out of 5, treat yourself to 80 desserts or huitante, your choice. Et voilà, you've mastered the French numbers from 1 to 100 with all the regional variations from Paris to Geneva to Brussels. Whether you're a Soixante dix person or a Septante person, you now speak the language of numbers like a pro. If this video helped you survive French maths disguised as vocabulary, like the video, subscribe for more fun language lessons, and comment your favorite system. 70 ou 70? Merci, merci, merci. Et à bientôt for another adventure in French.